What's up, random people? It's been a while. We've been on vacation. We're finally back. Feels like forever. We're gonna open up. Say it, Addie. Your Shifu box.
And
we're gonna open that up. We do want to let you know that we didn't get home in time to mail out the giveaways. We will mail them out first thing in the morning. Braxton's really excited because Dane is getting his Houndour. Braxton, do you want to say anything?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? He got stage fright. He'll say it.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. There you go. He's excited for you to get it. I told him about the Champions Pass sleeve. Oh, he wants me to show you the card. Dane is getting that beautiful card from Braxton. It'll be ready and mailed out in the morning. So we're going to open this. We do have a giveaway for this week. We're the old giveaways are going to be 100 subscribers before we give those away, but for this one, from now on, because y'all have been so great, we're going to do a giveaway with every opening, and we don't care about the 100 subscribers. Addie, what are we giving away with this one?
A Pikachu V.
A Pikachu on the back. Pikachu V.
And we have Raichu GX.
Raichu GX on the back. What do you want to tell them, Braxton?
If you watched the video when it was my birthday, that's why I got the Mewtwo.
We was going to talk about that, but go ahead and tell him. He wants to tell you what he pulled for his birthday. Tell him what you pulled.
A Mewtwo. Mega Mewtwo.
A Mega Mewtwo. He reminded me that wasn't a GX. He wants them GX, but he was so happy with that Mega, wasn't he?
I wanted an EX.
Was you happy with the Mega?
Yeah. I wanted an GX, but at least I got it, but not EX.
I know, that was awesome. At least you got it, huh?
Yeah, not EX.
Sorry for the camera quality. We're still using our phone. We might keep those. We'll put that in our big binder. Who wants to put this in the big binder? All right, go ahead and grab it. Put it in the big binder. So what do we get? We got 2 battle styles. Rebel Clash and Darkness of Blaze. I'm excited about the Darkness of Blaze. There's your code card. Open the Darkness Blaze left. All right. We're not going to do no card trick, are we? Just going to run through them. No. You know where Braxton went? To get his own binder. He was going to put our cards in his own binder. He's silly. Meow.
Camper. Macro. Sandwood. Electabuzz. Lurantis. Energy. Camping gear. Seadra.
Sorry, I was looking at her. I didn't have them up where I needed them.
Rapid Strike, Swirls.
Okay. Addie Ann, Braxton, and Alyssa, if she can get over her shyness, will be opening packs a little later. So pay attention. You can throw it in our binder, the binder down here. Darkness Ablaze. She wants me to wait on that one.
Are you talking to me?
We got Rebel Clash and Darkness Ablaze.
One down here?
Yeah, where's that binder at? Will you give it to me? I love that they came out with the binder because we can put all of our oversized cards in it. Oh, sorry, I forgot we wasn't doing the card trick. Camping gear. Seadra. I've always loved Seadra, especially in the old Pokemon games. But that giveaway is going to be, there you go. That's what we're talking about.
Hey, and it came in the
Pack, baby.
That was the same exact card that was in here.
No, because that one in there is a promo.
Well, they're both
That's a black star.
Well, they're both the same card.
Both the same, just different numbers. That's a black star. This one is a... All right, will you sleeve that up?
I want to see that one.
Thank you, dear.
Before you do it.
But anyway, the giveaway we're doing now, we'll run it. Today is what? Friday?
Can you see?
Next Friday, we're going to do a random like generator because it was too hard typing in all the names. So a random like. So next Friday at this time is when we'll do the drawing for those 2 cards. We have some other exciting giveaways. We might even be doing tonight. Sorry, the camera's up too high. I'll fix that for the next video.
Yeah, I found it.
Sword and Leaf. Luxio. I know, that's what I said, but Durant. Palosan, Snowbird, Natu, Trubbish, and I will not rip him up. All right, Addie, we're on the Darkness Ablaze. Are you ready? If we get that Zard, what are we going to do? We're going to scream like little babies. See, they're arguing over their Pokemon cards. What you got to put up with when you have 4 kids. What about Mikey? And especially when you have limits when you go to Target and stuff. So you can only get 1 item. So if you buy 1 pack, you got to make them split it. And that does not go over well. Uh-oh, I seen something special at the end. You gonna name them, Addie? Let's go.
Energy. Whatever that says.
Poltergeist.
You're sharing. Yellow. Electric. Whatever that says.
Dunsparce.
Brown sweet. Spinnerat.
Spinnerat.
Panpour.
Panpour. Parasect. What do we get? If we get that Zard, I'm going to cry. Nope. Oh, but that is awesome. I'll take that.
I want to see.
Rimsnar VMAX. That is beautiful. Will you sleeve that up?
Yep.
All right, folks, don't forget, we have these 2 giveaways going on right now. We're probably going to open some packs here in a little bit. We're going to have some giveaways with those. We decided the prior giveaways will be when we reach 100 subscribers, since we said that. But now we're just going to give away with every opening because y'all been great. And we're thanking 7-day entry period. So when we open something, offer a giveaway, we're going to just do a random generator on the likes for those 7 days. We might end up moving the comments. We don't know, but good luck.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Y'all silly. Like and subscribe.